I'll show you how to make a suction pump out of just a straw and a water bottle. And what I mean is, let's say I wanted to empty this gas tank. All I got to do is take this, let go there, see how the gas comes up, take another water bottle and pour it in there. Of course, this has to be done multiple times. A lot of people don't know how easy these water bottles can be cut. Just take a scissors, cut him here. Now if I wanted to, I could put it down below here to drain this gas tank of the last little bit by undoing this clip, and of course it would be caught in here. I've put power steering fluid in these, I've put automatic transmission fluid in them, gasoline in them, water in them, left them overnight and never had a problem. And one final thing I want to mention about this, I've found that these are really good, like if you've got a little leak up underneath the sink, you can put something like this down up underneath there while you work on it. I'm switching to a video I did showing how to make that for a power steering on my truck. You just take a straw. This happens to be a Subway straw. The bigger around the straw, the better the suction works. You just take it and cut it roughly 4.5 inches or 10.5 centimeters. It's just rough. It doesn't have to be exact by any means. So in other words, cut it about that length. The hard part is knowing what size drill bit to use. This one here just barely touches the edges. He's actually a little bit small and I didn't have quite a big enough one. But whatever you do, don't put the cap on the bottle and drill a hole through this, because you're going to get particles of plastic in there and you absolutely don't want that. I prefer putting them down like this on a piece of wood and just drilling from right here. Now I have learned from doing these that this hole's a little bit small, so I have to kind of ream it out. You don't want it too big and you don't want it too small, of course. So once you get that all wiped up and clean, take a rag and clean it up. Just take your straw, come in from this way, put him down flat like that. Doesn't have to be perfectly straight by any means, and I'm just taking a glue gun now and just putting glue all around it. Once this is done, I'm just going to let it sit for like 10 minutes to let it thoroughly cool off. YouTube gives us 20 seconds at the end of each video to suggest other films you may want to watch. Make your selection now. This is Ron from Fixing Stuff in Black and White, signing off.